to the rookie. Yeah. Ito yung risk factor mo when you have a rookie inside the court. Maizo. Partially blocked by Ateneos. Kainglet goes for the open hit down the line. But the libero of UST, Dusaran, was there. Maizo blocked. Now they're reading Maizo well. Manatikla on the open hit. De Jesus taking that. Dusaran once again.
Oh, and a lot of people
Ferrer.
liking it.
Acevedo. Oh, Maizo wave on top but saved by Ateneo. Now let's see what play coming from UST. Open hit. Still the same ball. Okay, Ann. You can sleep now.
Look at these girls go for each and every ball. Halatang ayaw mamatay.
And command the spirit and the athleticism of both balls.
Recognize the Maizo in that very long rally.
And it's just because they were already tired.
That's right.
Ateneo was just too tired to go for defense. Lazaro rolls over. Matagal pa to eh. Oh.
Scrimmage sa practice.
And again, Isa Maizo going that spot. Lazaro